for President William Ruto and I and the people of Kenya, Nairobi River is a national shame. The level of pollution is unacceptable. And it is also very, our people along the river lacks dignity. And that situation cannot continue. And the president, in the executive order after formation of government, assigned me that function to coordinate activities from all stakeholders to sort out Nairobi River once and for all. That's why all of you are here. Yeah. And it is the president's desire that we create Nairobi River Commission to coordinate activities among all the stakeholders, because none of us can work on it alone. Yeah. The amount of work that needs to be done is enormous. The resources required are substantial. The technical input that is required is quite something. And no single actor can deal with the issue of Nairobi River alone. That pollution has been there for years. The late John Michoke, when he was the Minister for Environment, tried to do something. And there was some substantial progress. But after his death, there was no follow-up and we went back to where we were.